Hi all, myself Harini, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Agriculture Engineering. Today's lecture video is about food adulteration. In this lecture video, we are going to discuss about what are all the basic concepts of adulteration and how the adulteration affects the food safety. Usually, food adulteration is defined as the addition or subtraction of any substance to from food which changes its natural composition and reduces its quality. Uh, it means making the food impure by adding or removing the substances. Like it includes mixing, substitution, hiding the quality, sometimes selling the spoiled food, false labeling, sometimes adding harmful chemicals. So this is the definition of food adulteration. One of the best example for adulteration is uh, for in pepper they are adding papaya seeds and sometimes milk they are adding starch powders. So this is called as adulteration. So how the food is declared adulterated? So, adulteration can occur in several ways. They can include mixing unwanted substances into the food or substituting the quality with inferior products, sometimes hiding the actual quality of the food, spoiling the decomposed food, misbranding or giving false labels. Sometimes valuable nutrients are removed, adding inferior materials with replacing the original food. So this is how the food is declared as adulterated. So there are different types of adulteration. Uh, First is intentional adulteration. We are intentionally adding to the food products. It is done for financial gain. Like examples of intentional adulteration is addition of sand, marble chips, and stone, chalk powders with ragi, like maida flour or wheat flour. So this is the example of intentional adulteration. Next is incidental adulteration. So it happens due to carelessness and lack in proper hygienic condition of processing while storage, transportation, and marketing. Example is sometimes pesticide residues is added in food. Uh, the eggs of larva is added in foods, the droppings of rodents in food products. So these are all the examples of incidental adulteration. Next is metallic adulteration. So it occurs due to arsenic from pesticides, lead from waters, some chemical industries. So this is the example of metallic adulteration. So the reasons why food adulteration is increase reasons for increase in food adulteration is food adulteration has become a common practice. Nowadays, food adulteration is a major problem in the society. Many food items we consume daily may contain adulterants. Continuous consumption of such foods can lead to various health problems such as stomach disorders, food poisoning, and long-term disorders. The use of adulterants has increased mainly because the food quality regulation are sometimes weak or not strictly enforced. In some cases, they are not even monitoring the food products processing properly, which allows the traders to adulterate the food product for their profit. Uh, Food adulteration is also a social evil and a slow poison. So, food adulteration categories is classified into three. One is replacement. In replacement, partial replacement of valuable food ingredient with a cheaper substitute. Example, mixing papaya seeds with black pepper, mixing vegetable oil with pure ghee. This is the replacement of food adulteration. Next is addition, adding small amount of non-authentic substances to hide the poor quality of ingredients. The best example is water added to the milk. Next, removal. In removing valuable authentic compounds of food without the knowledge of the consumer. Removing, for example, is removing cream from the milk and selling it as full cream milk. Removing essential oil from the spices. So, nutrients or valuable components are taken out of the food, and the remaining product is sold as the original product. Next is methods of food adulteration. There are different methods of food adulteration. First is mixing. In mixing, adding unwanted substance to the food. Examples: clay, stones, sand, mixed with grains. Next is substitution, replacing the good quality food with cheaper or inferior products. Example: papaya seeds mixed with black pepper. Next is concealing quality, hiding poor quality food by labeling it as good quality. Next is decomposed food, mixing spoiled fruits or vegetables with fresh ones. Misbranding or false labels, selling duplicate products or changing manufacture and expiry dates. Next, addition of toxicants, adding harmful substances to the food. Uh, Example is argemone oil is in mustard oil, artificial colors. So these are all the methods of food adulteration. So the disadvantages for the consumer is consumers pay more money for the low quality food. Some adulterants are harmful to health and even cause death. Mm, Examples of adulterants are argemone oil mixed with mustard oil can cause epidemic dropsy. TCP, triglyceride phosphate mixed with edible oil can cause paralysis and death. Thank you.